Hello student, welcome to Crash Science Academy, and today we will discuss about species, concept of the species, total species, how to species become, and what is the real definition of the species. In this video, dear student, we will discuss all about the species at the all the level for MSc, PhD level, and NEET 11 12th class. It's this video for all the student. You should not skip the video. You have to watch the full video, and if you want to get knowledge about the full concept of the species. Now start. First of all, we will discuss about what is species, and it is the key position of the classification. Species is the key position of the classification. This question come many times in NEET exam. This question many times come in NEET exam. So species is the key position of classification, and species is the basic unit of understanding taxonomy. The species, you can understand the taxonomy by the help of the species, because it is the basic unit of the evolution as well as the taxonomy. And evolution, it is the natural population of individual or group of which resemble one another in all the essential morphological as well as reproductive character, carry the same type of genetic material so as the breed freely amongst themselves under natural condition in order to provide fertile offspring. These are saying that any species should be reproductive and morphological similar, and their genetic material also be similar, and they are free from any barrier for the reproduction. They can interbreed with each other. So this is species. Fertile species. There should be condition. If they will provide the progeny, it should be fertile, not the sterile. Okay. The species is also called genetically distinct and reproductive isolated natural population. Example: Mangifera indica, potato, and tulsi, and Osimum centum, and lion, Panthera leo, etc. In this case, indica, tubersome, and centum. You can see example Mangifera indica. In this case, an indica is the species of the genre, and Mangifera, Solanum, Osimum, and Panthera respectively, these are the genera, and these all are the species. Indica, like the indica, you know the binomial nomenclature. For example, indica, Mangifera indica, this is the species, okay, or this is the genus. Genus is greater than the species. Species is the low category as compared to genus. So a species may have the subgroup that is called the subspecies, and variety. Nowadays you can say variety, showing certain distinct feature of their own. This is saying that species having subgroup, they are called subspecies, and you can say variety. Okay. Now concept of the species. There are many concepts given by different scientists about the species, but static concept of species was given by Linnaeus. Static concept given by Linnaeus. Linnaeus say species is fixed and immutable. It means there are no mutation in the species. And dynamic concept of species given by Lamarck. Species is mutable and dynamic. Lamarck said species is mutable and dynamic. But if we will discuss about third type, topological. The topological concept of species, most widely held and most simple species concept. According to this concept, there is an ideal pattern of each species. Individuals of the species match each other in all respect. All respect means for reproductive, morphological, genetics, variation if they and due to the imperfection of physical words such as the concept topological because it conceive an ideal type of the body for each species. This the topological concept of species saying that all the species are having the similar character, either genetic character, either morphological character. Now, nomadistic concept of species have no existence, only the individual do so. This saying that there are no existence for the species, only individuals can exist. Okay, and now we will discuss about the biological concept of the species. It is very important, given by Ernest Mayr. Okay, species is the fundamental unit of the classification, and a species is a group of organisms. Species is the group of organisms which closely related. This is very important. Which are closely related. In which sense? Structurally and functionally closely related. Okay, and sharing a common gene pool means common genetic, and which can interbreed freely means there is no isolation, and produce fertile offspring in a natural environment. This is the best and most accepted theory nowadays. Okay, this is the best theory. Biological, I'm repeating again, species is the fundamental unit of the classification, first point, and species is the group of organisms which can interbreed each other without any barrier, and they produce fertile offspring in a natural environment. Now we will discuss about there are many exceptional. You can see male donkey and female horse. If you will cross male donkey and female horse, the progeny is mule. You can see in the picture, this is the mule. Okay, I have taken this picture from the Wikipedia, and this is the mule. So if you will cross the male donkey with female horse, it will use it will produce mule. But if we will reverse the case, female donkey and male horse, then what will be happen? Female donkey, male horse, it will give hinny. Okay, you can see this is the hinny, and it's used for many purpose. So female donkey and male horse give the progeny hinny. Okay, you can see this is the hinny or easily and was the next. Cross is natural. This is the very important. Cross is natural, but progeny are sterile. These all is hinny and mule are sterile. Okay, now male tiger, female lion, it will give tigon. This is the picture of tigon. Okay, you can see the tigon is this such type. I have already told these all picture are taken from the authenticated source. I means Wikipedia. Okay, these picture are taken from the Wikipedia. You can see this is the tigon, and now we will discuss about female tiger. If you will reverse the case, female tiger cross with male lion, then it will give liger. This is liger. You can see this is liger, and but the tigon and liger are cross in captivity, but progeny are fertile. These progeny are fertile. Okay, this is the exceptional about the species. Now there are some species concept. Now type of species, there are many type of the species. Morpho species. What is morpho species? Species erected on the basis of morphological character only. If there are same morphological character, they are morphospecies. Second is taxonomy species. Species definite binomial name. These are those species which having the same binomial name. And sibling species. Sibling species means true species which do not interbreed but are otherwise difficult to separate on the basis of morphological and character. Allopatry species. Allopatric species having exclusive area of the different geographical distributions. For example, this is the geographical area and this is distributed by this. So species A and species B. This is the allopatry species. Okay, now sympatry, these are the overlapping. For example, this is the species A and this is the species B area. This is A and this is B living in a different area, but due to the same area, overlapping area, this is the overlapping area, this is the sympatric species. Here is the sympatric species. If two area are the overlapping with each other. Okay, now next is the parapatric species having the adjacent geographical range meeting in very narrow zone of the overlapping. This is the very narrow zone of the overlapping. They are called the parapatric species. Allochronic species. These are those species belong to the different time period. The species which belong to the different time period. Okay. Now neonatological species, these are the living species. Okay, you are the neonatological species. Synchronic species belong to the same period of the time. This is the just reverse to this. Okay, allochronic and synchronic are opposite each other. And polytypic species with two or more subspecies. The species having two or more species is called the polytypic species. Thank you very much for watching this video.